Kelly, we may very well see those temperatures dip below 20 degrees.
It will most definitely. We're going to see those drastic changes. In fact, it's going to be crashing temperatures. We're not even going to gradually go into those low 20s and then eventually below zero for some time. And we have just this large storm system. It is going to continue to bring a pack of really some intense winter weather. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis just upgraded most of central Indiana for the winter storm warning. It kicks in tomorrow afternoon, continues into Christmas Eve morning, and that is because we are going to see all dynamics of this storm system, and it is a massive storm system. Large area of low pressure that will continue to drop in pressure, allowing the winds to really kick up. We're going to see much colder air wrapping in behind it. You can see all across the Midwest into the Plain States that we have warnings out there across the area, and that is because it is going to impact so much of the United States. Right now, quiet conditions across central Indiana. 32 degrees right now in Muncie, 35 in Richmond, it's 31 in Lafayette. Today, quiet. Again, another calm day before the storm as we have cloudy skies, not as bright as yesterday, but temperatures seasonable, climbing into the low 40s. As we go into tonight into tomorrow, we'll only drop into the low 30s. Just enough that we may see a little bit of a mixed bag of precipitation first thing tomorrow morning. We could see a little bit of freezing rain, freezing on those surfaces, but it will be very brief, and then it will change over to all rain tomorrow morning. Then we will continue to see this area of drizzle on and off throughout the morning into the afternoon Thursday. Then we're tracking this cold front. This is an Arctic cold front, so it is going to be ushering much colder air behind it. We are going to see this triggering more showers, and it will likely be in the form of a little bit of sleet and then very heavy snow behind that front. In the meantime, we'll have mostly wet conditions, drizzly conditions throughout the afternoon. Highs top out around 40 degrees. By 4 o'clock, that's when we're going to start to see that transition from rain into snow. In fact, it's going to be heavy snow. We're talking anywhere from 1 to 2 inches per hour from about 4 until about midnight tomorrow evening. So we'll be tracking this heavy snow. It will continue to march across the area from west to east behind this Arctic cold front. It'll push on out of here late Thursday night, continuing into Friday morning with very cold air moving in behind it, and we're going to see those winds increasing as well. Taking a look at that snow forecast, we are forecasting 4 to 6 inches of snow really along that I-70 corridor. Heavier accumulations closer to that low pressure system, 6 to 8 inches possible for Lafayette, Kokomo, and points to the north. Lighter amounts, Bloomington, Columbus, you're still going to see some snow out of this system, but the winds will be strong, but not as strong as we're going to see throughout the rest of central Indiana. So we're going to see these temperatures really plunging as we go into tomorrow night, dropping from 40 degrees at 4 p.m. to 8 above by midnight. So it is going to be a very drastic change. We're still going to have some snow around during the day on Friday. Temperatures eventually fall to 5 below Friday morning, high of only 3 degrees. Friday afternoon for Christmas Eve, we'll see a high of 9, blowing, drifting snow, flash freeze. Travel conditions will be very messy Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday.